Welcome back guys, welcome to another video of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys if you want to change your Facebook profile name and you want to change its font, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is go to your browser, Google Chrome or any browser that you are using, just open it, and after that go to facebook.com. and here click on this down arrow button and go to settings, and here click on edit. Now here you see your first name and last name. Now open new tab and go to google.com, and here type F symbols Facebook name and click on the first link. So here what you need to do is copy your first name and paste it here, and similarly copy your surname or middle name and paste it here. Now here you see the stylish font is showing below your name, and here are a lot of options. Just select one of them and copy from here and paste it here, and after that just copy the surname and paste it here in the middle name or surname, and after that just click on review change. But before clicking on this, you need to read this note. Please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters or random words. So you should be have to take care of it, and if you want to change it, then you definitely know that you are not able to change it for the next 60 days. So it's totally on you, and after that if you make a decision to change it, just click on review change and it will change your default font of your Facebook ID into a stylish Facebook profile name. Do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.